Hi guys. Today I will tell you how I draw eyes in my paintings. I like to use simple lines more. That's why I'm going to talk about how I gave the eyes their first shape without going into details. First, I draw a line at an angle of about 45 degrees to the direction the eye goes. Then I continue in the same direction with a horizontal straight line. I bring the lower part of the eye closer to the upper line with a curved line. And I connect these two lines with the line I drew from the top. And then I give the eyeball its direction. Upper lash lines are drawn thicker. I place the pupil in the middle of the iris. And finally, I drop the shadow of the upper lash into the eye. Let's go through the steps again in another example. The 45-degree line. And a straight line in the direction of the eye. And the curved line under the eye. I connected the lines. I thickened the upper lashes. I drew the iris and directed the eye. Pupil in the middle of the iris. And finally shadow. It will be clearer with a final example. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.